Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clint Johnson. What we have for you guys today is a 2015 Sea Ray 190 Sport with trailer. And boy howdy, this boat, she shines nice. She is a nice boat, really super clean. I'm guessing that you can see the reflection coming off this boat. I mean, she is shiny and bright. I tell you, once we get inside of her, take a look, I mean, she is nice. Yeah, I can see the reflection of, I'm in my socks right now, so that when we get on the boat, I don't get her dirty, but really, really nice boat. She does have an inboard, outboard setup. We'll take a look at the Mercruiser engine. It is a 3-liter, 135 horsepower with only 155 hours on her. So like I said, I mean, she's a 2015, so she's a fairly new boat, but really, really low hours and nice trailer. So let's get up on board and take a look around. Now on this vessel, she may be a 190, so around 19-20 feet long. She has a really nice large swim platform. You have a really nice drop down ladder so people can get on and off. And you even see where you can hook up a skier or pull a tube or something like that on her. Now all of her upholstery is spick and span. I mean, it is beautiful and in great shape, and you're going to see that throughout this, but I mean, it's really nice. He keeps a cover on her, keeps her on the trailer, keeps her flushed out, and then also keeps her in his garage. So I mean, she's getting the best of everything as far as how she's being maintained and kept. So really, really nice boat. I step on up to get inside her here. I just want to point out that the bimini top, this canvas is in really good shape. Beautiful. And then we'll just step on down here in the back, and I will open up the engine bay so you can take a look. Really nice and large, good access on this engine bay. Now those cushion doors, they open right on up. You have the cylinders that keep them open, so it's really nice. We'll start over here on what is the port side. Bunch of storage room there. Easy access to your battery. Anybody who's changed batteries on boats, sometimes they're in not great places, and it's hard to change them because they're heavy, but not on this one. Really nice. Here's that Mercruiser 3-liter, 135 horse, 4-cylinder motor, which means she's going to be a fuel sipper, but she's going to have enough power for a boat this size. But she's really clean. Look at that paint. Beautiful. And finally over here, we have more storage. Or if you need to work on the motor or get to things, you can get into this a lot easier than you'd think on a 19-foot boat. I've stepped back here just a bit because I wanted to open up this seat. This is a smaller boat, so this will be a pretty quick video, and there's not a ton of storage, but I do want to show, and it's easy to show all the storage spots on this without putting you all to sleep, but there is a nice little storage area under here, under this aft seat. And if I step just a little bit further back, we have a big storage area here that you can put some fishing poles. It goes deeper over here too, underneath here, but from this angle I can't get it. So you can put fishing poles in there, maybe some skis, keep them out of the way. So really nice. All right, now as we move forward, I just want to point out how good a condition these seats are in. I mean, this boat is currently at this time as a 2015, 8 years old, but kept in really good condition. Both sides have bolstered seating. Then you can put these up or down if you want to just sit lower, or if you want to sit further up, greater visibility. That's a really nice feature. And here we have the basic essentials. We have our tachometer. We have our speedometer there over on the right. And then over here at the top left, we have oil pressure. I do believe that's voltage. On the top right, we have fuel. And then we have trim tab position at the bottom right. And then we have a Raymarine chart plotter. And then coming over here on the port side, we do have a nice Sony Marine stereo system. And as this boat is a Bowrider, we have two really nice layout seats up forward in the bow. Two people could lay out nicely. Nice cushioned seat back. Or you could fit one, two, a third person if they weren't laying out up there. Speaker system up here so they can hear the music up here as well. And I'm sitting here in it, definitely nice and comfy. And sitting here is definitely very comfortable. Well, this was a shorter video as this is a smaller boat, but I'd like to thank you for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop, where we took a look at this 2015 Sea Ray 190 Sport. Excellent boat, beautiful boat. And she does come with that trailer. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to give that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell to be warned of any newer videos. And I'll catch you next time.